It says no key detected. Hello guys, today's video I'm gonna try to use this key fob of Nissan, and my wife told me that it will not work, or it's not working. So okay, I will try. I will press unlock, but it's not working. It will not open. So this key fob here is not working, so I will use the other key fob, and then I will open the door, and I will try this one to tap in the key fob near the push button. Okay, so we're here inside the vehicle, so we'll try to turn it on again. The key fob it is not working. I don't know whether the battery or the sensor of this. And then I will press the brake, and we'll tap the near the key fob. See, it's working. So guys, it's working. Sorry, it's a little bit, it's more dusty here. So it's working guys. So it's working, but if you will go far, it will not work. We'll press brake and start. It says no key detected, but if you put it here near and push the button, and it's working. But the problem is is the battery, so we will open this one, the key fob, and we will replace a new battery. Okay, we'll try to replace the battery on it. So all we have to do is to open this one, just up, and then remove this key. So this is the purpose. You have to open this one. There you go. So easy guys. So already open, and we will remove it. There you go. Replace. So it's popped already. Then we will remove this one, replace this battery. All we have to do is to remove this battery and replace the new one, the new battery that I there you go guys. Once you remove this battery, and we will replace this one, a new battery. Okay, so I have bought this one only $6 to $8. There you go. It's hard, just like I thought. Come out, wherever you are. There you go. This one battery is 3 volts, I think. There you go, guys. This is the old battery, and this is the new one. Says here it's Panasonic 232 made Indonesia. This is the old one, and we will replace this with a new battery. Try to put it here. There you go. Good. So it fits, guys. I have 3 extra more. You can buy this one at Walmart, or this one I bought this one at Superstore. It's only $6, approximately 8 because of tax. And I will try to insert it, and I think there's nothing wrong with this. We'll try it's working. Very easy to open this. Okay, very easy to open. Just like this. There you go. So we'll try this one key fob again. We'll see it's working. But first we have to insert this one back to its original. I already replaced the battery of this key fob, and we will try to open the door, and we'll see. And on the car, the Nissan Roque. Okay. We'll try to open this. It's, see? Whoa. And we will try to turn it on. It works, guys. So thanks for watching.